Hi folks, how you doing? This is Iqbal. Nvidia, another AI stock, and overall market went down today, and a possible reason was the non-farm payrolls came higher than the forecast, and also I'm expecting Monday and Tuesday would be a volatile day for Nvidia and other AI stocks. Let's take a look using technical chart and try to explain this drop and see what can happen on Monday and Tuesday based on the technical charts. See on your screen right now after hours Nvidia is at 851, that is 2.77% drop after hours. Already went down 5.55% today, normal working hours, so including after hours and normal session, about 8.5 or 9% drop. Okay, now you see this chart. This is 20-day 1 hour chart. The lowest point is 667.74 and the highest point is 957.05. From the lowest point to the highest point, you see that there is no major drop from Nvidia from the lowest to the highest point. Okay, so some kind of correction was already due from Nvidia, and I kept saying that for so long. Okay, so it happened today a little bit, not much. So let's take a look using the Fibonacci level and see how much is this correction and what are the next levels. Okay, so first I'm going to select the lowest point, that is 667. And the highest point is 957.05. That is close, yeah. Let's change the color of these lines so we can easily read it. Okay, so I made all of them in blue color. So all these blue lines are Fibonacci levels. You see that first Fibonacci levels were 889. It already went down and broke that level. And the next level was 847. And right now, after hours, 851. So it's close to that point. And if it breaks on Monday, then the next level is 812. I'm not sure it can go to 812 or not, but that will be a good buy point. 847 is not a bad buy point for those who were waiting for Nvidia to drop so they can buy the shares. So they can buy it at this point. If it drops, probably should recover after a few days, so you will get your money back. Now let's take a look RSI and see where is that RSI right now. So I have the RSI chart here. So RSI is at 27.6 right now. That tells it's oversold based on the 20-day 1 hour chart. And the short-term chart looks like Nvidia is oversold. Let's see what 4 hour chart suggests. Let's take a look. 4 hours 180-day RSI is 43. It's not completely oversold at this point, but it's trending in that direction. So 4 hour chart also says that Nvidia um, somewhat oversold at this point. Now let's take a look 1 day chart. 1 day chart, the RSI is at 69. Still, the long-term basis tells that Nvidia is still high. Nvidia price point is still high. So based on the long term, there was no big correction happen on the long term. Long term means last 1 year. The last 1 year, if you take a look at that data, in last 1 year, there was no big correction happen on Nvidia. When I say big correction means the lowest point to the highest point. See, the lowest point was 229 in last 1 year, and the highest point was 926. So from here to here, you don't see a big or major drop. Okay, so that's what it tells. Already on the overbought side. Let's take a look at MACD and see what is the momentum at this point. So this is the MACD for 1 year, 1 day chart. See how high at this point the MACD line. It tells that uh, still on the overbought side, based on the long-term chart. So from here to here, see how the line is going up, the slope. So this tells that on the long-term basis, still Nvidia is overbought. Let's take a look short-term chart. Now I have 20-day 1-hour chart. You see the MACD line is going down, and that will give us a good buy point. So hopefully Monday it goes further down, then we can place a buy position on Monday. Let's take a look 10-day 30 minutes chart. In the 10-day 30 minutes chart, that is more short-term basis, see that looks like cut the zero line and it's going down. So the way MACD moved from here to here, see the slope, downward slope, it tells that on the last 10-day it was the most downward slope. Okay, on a short-term basis, this tells that there is some momentum on the downside and it's still happening. See, the curve is down. When it start moving like this would tell, okay, Nvidia started going up. See, right now it's trending down. So when it start moving up like this, probably we can place a buy. Maybe Monday or Tuesday. Let's see. So this was my short video on the technical charts. There are so many technical indicators that we can cover, but I just want to focus on the most important indicators that I take a look on regular basis. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you more on Monday. Take care.